guys, nice to see you. It is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry French beans with tauchu paste. Hope you will like it. This home-cooked dish is delicious and crunchy. It is suitable the whole family. Let's cooking.
Stir-fry French beans with tauchu paste.
Ingredients: French beans, carrot, chopped garlic, tauchu paste. Peel carrot and sliced. French beans, remove fiber and cut into sections. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add carrot slices. Add French beans. Seasoning to taste. Add 1 tablespoon water to stir fry. That is to dry.
Plate it.
Wow, smells so good.
Give it a try. This dish is delicious with crunchy French beans. You'll love it too.
Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that carrots are sweet in taste and neutral in nature. They have a slight and continuous sweating effect, which can stimulate the metabolism of the skin and increase blood circulation, thereby making the skin tender and smooth, and the complexion rosy. It has a unique effect on beauty and health. It also contains beta-carotene, which has anti-cancer effects. 1. Foods that are incompatible with each other. Although carrots are very beneficial to the human body, They are incompatible with some foods, such as peppers, tomatoes, apples, hawthorns, lychees, loquats, kiwis, cherries, and jujubes, too, not suitable for eating together. Some foods cannot be eaten together with carrots, such as white radish, wine, and vinegar. The home-cooked green beans on the table are a hidden version of a good food for weight loss. Their dietary fiber is 3 times that of sweet potatoes, and they are rich in vitamins and minerals. They are delicious, nutritious, and low in calories. They are definitely on the top list of weight loss ingredients. The benefits of green beans include choline, 1, helps reduce obesity, 2, diabetes, 3, risk of heart disease, 4, beauty care, 5, prevent cardiovascular disease, 6, help digestion, 7, eye protection, 8, improve fatigue, 9, improve anemia. French beans should not be eaten with bloating foods, such as milk, potatoes, sweet potatoes, taro, tofu, bananas, soy milk, etc. Otherwise, it will aggravate the problem of bloating. French beans are rich in plant protein and unsaturated fatty acids, and fruits contain plant acids. Eating them together will not only reduce the nutritional value of green beans, but may also cause indigestion. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. Welcome to Visit for All Recipes, my friends.
I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.